Have you ever walked into a restaurant, sat down, and suddenly forgotten every English word you have ever learned? You know exactly what you want to say. You know the food you want. You even know the sentence in your own language. But then the waiter walks over and says, "Are you ready to order?" And your brain goes, okay, food, please. Yeah, it happens. And honestly, ordering food in English should not feel like a final exam. Today, we are going to fix that. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to order food naturally in English, how to ask questions, how to customize your order, how to deal with problems, and most importantly, how to sound confident instead of sounding like you memorized a sentence from a textbook. And at the end of this lesson, we are going to do a full shadowing practice together. So don't just listen. Speak with me. Repeat the sentences. And imagine that you are actually sitting inside a restaurant.
Now let's listen to a complete restaurant conversation. Imagine Ellie walks into a restaurant. The server smiles and says, "Hi, welcome. How many people?"
Hi, just one, please.
"Sure, right this way.
Thank you.
Here's your table. I'll bring you a menu."
Thanks.
A few moments later. "Here you go. Are you ready to order, or would you like a few more minutes?"
Could I have a few more minutes, please?
"Of course. Take your time."
Thank you.
A few moments later. "Are you ready to order?"
Yes, I think so.
Great. What can I get for you?
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken pasta is really popular.
That sounds good. What's in it?
It's pasta with grilled chicken, tomatoes, mushrooms, and a creamy sauce.
Okay. Does the sauce contain a lot of dairy?
Yes, it does.
In that case, could I get the pasta without the creamy sauce?
Sure, we can replace it with tomato sauce.
Perfect. I'll have that.
Anything else?
Yes. Could I also get a side salad?
Of course.
And could I get a glass of water, please?
Sure. Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Great. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
See how natural that conversation sounds? Nobody is using complicated English. Nobody is giving a speech. They're just using short, useful phrases. That's the secret. You don't need complicated English to sound fluent. You need the right English.
Let's look at some of the best phrases from that conversation. The first one was, "Could I have a few more minutes?" Use this when you're not ready to order. Another useful phrase is, "Take your time." The server says this to tell you that you don't need to hurry. Next, "What do you recommend?" Use this when you want the server's opinion. Then, "What's in it?" Very useful when you want to know the ingredients. Then, "Could I get it without?" This is perfect for customization. For example, "Could I get it without onions?" "Could I get it without cheese?" "Could I get it without mushrooms?" Next, "Anything else?" This means, do you want to order anything more? You can simply say, "No, that's all." Or, "That's everything, thanks." That's a very natural way to finish your order. Okay, part 9, common mistakes. Now let's talk about some mistakes English learners commonly make. Mistake number 1, I want a burger. Technically, it's understandable, but in a restaurant, a more natural option is, I'd like a burger, or I'll have a burger. Much smoother. Mistake number 2, give me water. Again, people will understand you, but it can sound too direct. Instead say, "Could I get some water, please?" Much better. Mistake number 3,